Hello everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna jump into the Ethereum breakdown because I think we are at a very important level right now that's worth discussing, and we're gonna go from the higher time frames to lower time frames. I'm also currently partnered with Bybit, so if you guys wanna receive some nice discount on the fees for the next 60 days and also support the work I do for free for you guys, then be sure to use the link I have in description or on my profile, or just simply type the referral code Jackis. So let's jump into it. Here we see the big channel that Ethereum is currently in, and it is also confluent with the past year or so of this giant ascending triangle that we are shaping up here. It is everything is coming down to this point, and I believe a big move either way is gonna come from here. So if we zoom in a little bit, this giant triangle becomes pretty clear. Uh, we've been through the bear market, and since then, we've been ranging basically. Uh, this point right here, what do we have here? So we have the logarithmic channel confluence, we have the triangle confluence, and then if we zoom in a little bit more, we can see that Ether is in this mm, downward channel confluent with the 3D demand zone. Plus there is the daily channel, and everything is, lining up in this little point. So this one, this liquidation wick is super important. Now for the bullish scenario, we either start moving upwards from here, or I wouldn't mind if we actually fake a breakdown here, take the low, then but we must quickly reclaim it and then continue higher. The confirmation of the reversion is above this strong resistance. So if we manage to flip it, then I believe the higher time frame triangle here has been broken to the upside. And if so, if this triangle is broken to the upside, then I expect a continuation towards, 3,300 to 4,000, somewhere in this area. These are two strong supply zones, and that would be my higher time frame target. The bearish case is if we do not manage to hold this demand zone, this big level of confluence, and we actually break down below this low. This is also the reason why I keep saying to people, be careful what you wish for, because if we break this level of confluence and we actually break below this low, then I would expect us to move to the range lows. The reason why this low is so important is because there is a confluence of the mid range, there is a confluence, of the low that took us above the range highs. So this was one impulsive leg. So this breaking this low breaks the structure, and we also lose the equilibrium, and there is simply no big support to hold us below this low, and the next area would probably have to be something like, we would probably bounce here, but then we would have to look for a deviation, and this would probably keep us in the big range for a very long time. So again, be careful what you wish for, guys. If we also add in the confluence of the volume area of this prior range, we can see that there is another confluence where the market is currently being held by the value area range high. So should we actually lose this low, this level of confluence, we would probably head to this high volume node where we would probably stop, bounce, and spend some time here. But then we would probably head towards the value area range lows. And if that happens, I cannot see much different outcome where we would have to sweep the entire cycle low and then hope that we deviate that one, reclaim, and then possibly head higher again. If this happens, we probably spent much more time in here inside of this bottom accumulation if this happens. So be careful what you wish for. What I really want to see from Ether is holding up right here, and then we have to reclaim the 1850 level and break this ascending triangle upwards. Otherwise, it's really not good, and this area right here, in my opinion, it's a turning point, for the future. Hope you guys have enjoyed this breakdown of Ethereum. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also leave a comment and share it with your friends. Stay tuned and may the markets be kind to you.